Hello, people. Diwali is almost here, and I have started cleaning the house already. The clip that you're seeing is actually a bit old. It is of around, I would like to say, September 1st or 2nd, like the first week of September itself. So, yeah, I started back then, and now I would like to say that it's not going very great, but yeah, every now and then I am trying to, clean or declutter some little corner or something in my house. And also, while cleaning this divan, I found so many cool things that I can use in my upcoming DIYs. And in case you don't know, I post my DIYs as reels on my Insta. So please follow me. Okay. I am trying my level best to keep posting regularly there now. It's really funny that you put so much effort into your project, your DIYs, and then you have to like club it into a 30-second or so of a video. So, yeah, that's a little disheartening, but then you get a really good reach. So, that's a plus point. And yes, that's me being a Bahubali. I can lift almost everything by myself, so I'm very strong in that way. And as you saw, it was a mess down there. Oops, did I say anything wrong? No. So I cleaned it, and after that, the first, the floor was totally black. So yeah, I used this, what is this, bathroom cleaner. I think it's a dupe of Harpic Red Wala. So yeah, that is what we have at the moment right now. So yeah, I used it, and it just makes all the marks disappear very easily. Guys, I've started working out again, and I'm saying again because if you are an OG, you would know that I start doing a workout, I quit it, then I start again, and then I quit it again. So that's like a cycle. And isse zyada the clip I'm not including because I totally sucked at this workout. So yeah, I need to build my stamina. By the way, do you guys see a pattern in my shooting days? So I shot on 12th September, and then उसके बाद सीधा 17th September ये clip का date है, because the other days I was working my ass off in my office. Anyways, more on that later. But yeah, this was a fountain that I was trying to make. So I have just created the three pots for the water to flow, the three levels. But then I was figuring it out कि कैसे इन्हें लगाऊं कि अच्छा लगे, and also कि जिससे मैं लगा पाऊँ, I need it to be very sturdy and ये गिर ना जाए, टूट ना जाए, so that हम इसे छत पर ले जा सके, अगर कुछ सरकाना हो तो वापस अंदर ला सके, like that I want to figure out. But yeah, this is still incomplete. In case you guys have any suggestions on how can I join these three things, please comment, because I only have two ideas. One is to use a roll like this and इसके ऊपर पुट्टी या किसी चीज़ से cover करूँ, and second thing is PVC pipes. I think that will be better. But yeah, that's basically the story of all of my projects. Oh god, it's a pattern everywhere. Even in my workouts, even in my DIYs, I start something and then I quit it. I start it again and then I quit it again. Oof. No, but this thing that you see, this jugaad type of a thing for some plants, this I've completed actually, but it took me like 4 days. But yes, it is completed now. So basically it's a supporter for a creeper that we have in a pot. So this is how it will look. So the thing is that we are using this supporter for Aparajita. In case you don't know, इस पे ये blue color के flowers आते हैं कुछ तो. अभी शाम के time I'm shooting this, so there is no flower except for this bud. But yeah, it gets loaded with flowers, okay? So yeah, now this plant is growing much better, way better than before, because ये बहुत पतली सी बेल है, so it needed support. And by the way, tell me something new, yaar. He comes there all the time. So yeah, whatever. So yeah, उसके बाद मैं नीचे आई, एंड नीचे मैंने देखा कि अरे यार, लेस का एक पैकेट पड़ा है, क्यों ना खाया जाए. So while I was doing my business stuff, so creating these बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो तुम देख रहे हो, I also started indulging in Lays. Very good. Very, very good for your health, for your figure, for your tummy. इतना मोटापा यार. Anyways, we got a mixer finally. Finally, you would know कि मैं क्यों कह रही हूँ, because guys, 1 साल से we don't have a mixer. More than 1 year it has been, and we are living without a mixer actually. Can you believe it? You might be wondering कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. So हमारा ओवन बेसिकली ख़राब हो चुका है and I'm trying to fix it by myself. एक सरदार जी की वीडियो देखी थी. So अभी तक मैंने आउटर कवर खोल दिया है and मुझे ये अलग करना है. Because the issue is that हमारा start and stop button is not working. Actually stop काम कर भी रहा हो तो हमें क्या पता, start is not working. So let me try and fix it by myself because let's be honest, सर्विसिंग का बहुत ज़्यादा चार्ज होता है. ये तो निकल ही नहीं रहे मेरे से. क्या चक्कर है यार. कुछ दबाना होता है क्या इसे निकालने के लिए? वाइट, देन ये, दिस वन. ओके, वी गॉट दिस पैनल थिंग. यार ये उखड़ रही है बट ये उसमें से नहीं आ रही. क्या सीन है, ऐसे ही निकलेगी क्या? आई नीड टू सी द वीडियो अगेन. यार ये नहीं निकल रहा मुझसे. व्हाट टू डू? क्या बकवास है यार. आगे कैसे स्टेप करूं अगर यही नहीं हो रहा तो? आई हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. अगर ये टूटा तो बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लगेगा तुम्हारा, जो कि तुम्हारे पास है नहीं. क्लियरली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ले ली होती तो थोड़ी सी हेल्प हो जाती शायद. एक बटन ही नहीं है भाई, हमारा बटन ही गायब है एक. ये क्या बकवास है, बटन का कुछ नहीं है. In case you're wondering, oven का कुछ नहीं हुआ guys, because I was not able to figure out anything. I could not even find the part from which they were doing the thing in the video. Okay. Sometimes it's just not your day, and every day for me is a sometimes only nowadays. But yeah, one good thing, I was able to work out in the week for quite some days. I would like to say, I think at least 4 times a week I was able to work out, which is a good thing. Okay, at least for me it was great. Done with the workout. It's 8:25 now. I need to hurry up. मुझे नीचे जाना है and I have to prepare some breakfast because only my father and me, we are not fasting. My mother and my brother are fasting. So I said earlier that I'll prepare the breakfast for us. You don't have to do anything. But now I see. Their office time is 9 by the way, so I need to really hurry up. Guess what guys? मम्मी ने ऑलरेडी उनके लिए ब्रेकफास्ट बना दिया था, उन्होंने खा लिया था, and she had already cut fruits for me. So yeah, that's me. Why the hell are you even subscribed?